Welcome to Motus Commercials, the UK's largest independent commercial vehicle dealer group. We offer a selection of new and used vehicles from our franchise partners, which are Ford Commercials, Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles, Fiat Professional, Isuzu Trucks, Isuzu Pickups, Maxus, and DAF Trucks. We also have a dedicated used van centre, Motor Select, which provides a wide range of vehicles from other manufacturers. Peace of mind is key with all vehicle ownership, which is why all vehicles from Motus Commercials, whether new or used, come with a warranty as standard, plus an option to extend. Before handing the vehicle over to the customer, our vehicles also undergo a thorough pre-delivery inspection, which is our quality guarantee. Our support doesn't stop once you drive away. You can count on our dedicated after-sales team for all your servicing and parts requirements. Funding your new vehicle is easy with our variety of financial products to suit all budgets. We also welcome part exchanges, regardless of vehicle age or mileage. For a hassle-free upgrade, speak with a member of our sales team for more information. Thank you for inquiring with Motus Commercials, your complete commercial vehicle one-stop shop.